All right, Alex here with NinjaTrader. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick day for market replay with the volume and trend bot. This bot is a pretty simple bot. It's looking at a bunch of different EMAs. It's looking at volume on candles, and it's deciding to basically trade with the trend, right? We've all heard the trend is your friend. Well, this bot is basically based on that theory. And it's designed after one of our in-house traders, Dimitri's trading strategy, and he does quite well. So let me shrink down my face here. Let's get right into it. We're going to be trading on a Friday here. This should be the 7th of March. I'm going to go speed it up. This is going to be on the micro Nasdaqs, trading 4 micros on the 5-minute time frame. Let's let this thing rip so you can see how it trades. It'll start right around 640. Basically, you can see here's the EMAs. We're looking for them to be crossed down and large bearish volume to basically take sells, or crossed up with bullish volume to take buys. Let's see how it plays out here. Okay, and let's let it run. This strategy, at least with our master settings, it's going to target a 1-to-1, 150 tick stop loss, 150 tick take profit. Converted, I think 150 ticks is 35 points, I'm pretty sure, something like that. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we get into a buy or a sell here. You can see now we have the EMAs are just about crossed up. Let's see if we get into an entry here. Now, the volume and trend bot, sometimes it'll take 3 or 4 trades in a day. Sometimes it'll take none, right? It's just basically has its rules. It's going to trace those setups. And in the videos, I will teach you guys in the how-to videos how to download the bot, how to backtest it in Market Replay, how to backtest it Strategy Analyzer. You can learn how and when and why it'll trade. If you don't like a trade setup, or if you think, hey, this is about to happen, but I don't like this or I don't like that, just cancel the trade, turn the bot off.
Order
So there, we're in a short. Let's see if we can get a continued push down. We might get stopped. There we go.
Order canceled.
So there we go. We're risking 1-to-1, $300 risk. Right, you can be one and done there for the day, especially after you see that we barely got that one. Jeez. But let's see if there's a potential additional trade that we get, or if that's it. I think on this day there was 2 or 3. But quite simply, you could be one and done there. Right? You could be over it. You can see that, hey, maybe we just had this big, massive 5-minute fair value gap that was pretty much inverse, but now we're respecting this level. Our EMAs are crossed down. High likelihood odds that it's going to potentially place another short
Order
trade.
submitted.
There it is. Place a sell stop below the wick. Let's see if it hits it. If it doesn't on this bar, it'll take it
Order
off.
canceled.
So that's our bar's weight filter. You can make that 2, you can make that 3. Obviously with our master settings, we're using 1. There, if we would have used 2 or 3, it would have been nice.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can flush it out if we get stopped here.
Order canceled.
Nice. So now we're up 2 R
Order
on the
submitted.
day.
Order submitted.
We're gonna get stopped here. It'd be surprising if this flushes still. One more. One more.
Order
Wow.
canceled.
That was a nice day. So there you go. There's 3 trades in a row. And all we're
Order
doing is
submitted.
trading the trend, right? Bearish trend, large volume, we're getting in. Bearish trend,
Order
large
canceled.
volume, we're getting in. And it just continued to ride the trend down. Personally, for me, if I was
Order
trading this spot, I'd
submitted.
be done and out for the day. Especially when we're at this much of a discount. But hey,
Order canceled.
you backtest the bot, you see the results that it gets, you let the bot rip. If you don't like it, then you don't like it. You turn the bot off. It's really simple. But I'm going to pause that here for now. My guess is maybe there's one more trade. And this thing goes until I think 9:30, so it's got to be close to being done. Let's see if it takes one more or not. And you'll see the green background will shift. I'm pretty sure it's 9:30. Let's see. Yep. All right, so it's done for the day. So nice. 3 wins in a row. Hard to complain about that. That's the volume and trend bot, only available for NinjaTrader 8 just because of the way the code works with the volume analysis. Definitely recommend the bot. It's a beast. If you have any questions on it, you know how to reach us. Social media, WAP, Discord, website, email. We're here to help. Look into trading algorithms. I'm not saying you have to use ours. Ours are very, very solid. We're not charging an arm and a leg or some obscene license fee like these perps or ePros or whatever they're called. I'm not going to name them directly. I've tried them. I've used them. These are not martingale bots. These are not grid bots. Full transparency. Free 7-day trial. 10x guarantee on your subscription costs. So whatever you pay for your monthly subscription, we guarantee that you at least 10x that in the course of 30 days using our master settings. If you don't, we give you a month free for any bot of your choice. Okay, that's how confident we are on these bots. We run them. I run them personally. I feel like I have an illegal federal money printer. I'm rinsing these prop firms. So hopefully you can get on the train with me. That's what I'm here to do. That's what we're all here to do with NinjaTrader. We want to help beginner traders make as much money as possible and cash out from these prop firms. All right. With that being said, cheers. See you on the charts.